Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, today I'll be showing you how I prepare this very delicious curry coconut chicken and beans. So right here I have a 3.5 pound of chicken, and guys, I have to show you this knife again that I get from Chef Sack, right? It's so amazing, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut up my chicken, right? And guys, trust me, this knife is super sharp, very sharp, right? And I also like the weight, as I say, right? It have a nice weight to it, you know, not too heavy, not too light. It just feels solid, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and dissect my chicken, right? See how sharp it is, guys? Whoa. Alright, so I'm just gonna chop my chicken in nice cube size cuttings, right? And you can cut the chicken whatever size you choose, right? But I'm just gonna cut mine this size. I also leave a couple links in the description below if you want to purchase their knife, right? They also have a nice knife backpack, right? You can check it out. Trust me, it's very convenient, right, as a chef, for you to carry your equipment around, right? I just want to be honest with you guys, hands down, trust me, this is the best knife I have right now, right? I have a lot of knife, but this is the best feeling, the best knife I have right now, I swear. So after finish cutting up and washing my chicken, I'm now gonna go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 2 tablespoons of green seasoning, right? I just want to make sure I get everything out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and massage my season into the meat, right? And guys, trust me, right away you smell the aroma. With my stove on high heat, now I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, right? And I'm just gonna toss my pot around a bit just to level the oil in the bottom of the pot. Also gonna add 4 cloves of garlic, 30 grams of ginger, right? And as you can see right here, guys, I actually use the side of the knife and press the garlic and ginger just to release the flavor, right? I'm just gonna saute for about 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of curry powder, right? And guys, you have to be careful. Don't overburn your curry, it's gonna be bitter, right? So you just need to stir this for about 30 seconds, right? Now I'm gonna add my chicken. And right away, as you add the chicken, you just smell the aroma bursting in your face, right? The fragrance of the curry, the garlic, and the ginger is so amazing, guys. Trust me. Wow. Alright, so I'm just blending my curry with the chicken, right? And I'm just gonna cover it up a bit and allow it to spring its own water before I add my coconut milk, right? After covering up for about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm now gonna go ahead and stir again, right? Now I'm going in with 400 ml of coconut milk, right? And I want the coconut milk to stand out. That's why I'm using 400 ml, right? I need to taste that exotic coconut flavor, right? So I'm just gonna stir it, cover it up, and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes, right, before I add the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm going in with some onion, some scotch bonnet pepper, some thyme, some spring onion, and some carrots, right? I'm just gonna add everything to my pot. Guys, this smells so amazing, trust me. Also gonna add some water, right? I'm just gonna stir a bit. And I'm just gonna cover it up and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes before I add my lima beans. Alright, after cooking for 10 minutes, right, I'm now going in with 540 ml of lima beans, and I'm using the canned lima beans, guys, right, because it's cooked already. And I'm just gonna stir it, and this is the time that I go ahead and taste it to see if it needs any salt, right, because I don't like to season my meat with salt, right. Alright, so now I'm gonna add some salt to taste, right, stir again. And I'm gonna cover it for another 5 minutes. Then I'll show you the finishing product after this. Alright guys, so here I have the finishing product of my curry coconut chicken and beans. Look at it. Oh look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow, nice. Alright, and you can serve this up with any sides you choose, right? But for me, I'm definitely gonna eat mine with some white rice. Trust me. So I'm just topping it off with some spring onion, just for decoration, right? Look at this. It's pretty, don't it? Touch you. This look good, don't it? Wow. Hot. This hot tea, man. Tastes nice though. Matting. Alright guys, if you happen to reach this far in the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Boom.
And they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some